Good morning everyone. I am Danica Casas Guarda from Bachelor of Secondary Education major in Mathematics. So I am here to present to you my work or my activity in mathematics in the modern world. So first, I will read the Einstein's logic puzzle, which is Albert Einstein once posed a brain teaser that he predicted only 2% of the world's population would be able to solve. The facts are: first, there are 5 houses in 5 different colors. Second, in each house lives a person with a different nationality. Third, these 5 owners drink a certain beverage, smoke a certain brand of cigarette, and keep a certain pet. Last, no owners have the same pet, brand of cigarette, or drink. We have here 15 clues to identify who owns the fish. We will use a table to identify or answer it easily. I have here a table which in the top row, it lists all the houses from 1 to 5. And each column, there are color, nationality, smoke, drink, and pet. Let's start with the houses. There are a few details we know right away, like the man living in the center house drinks milk. So it means that house 3 is the one who drink a milk. Then we have a clue that says the Norwegian lives in the first house. So we will put Norwegian in the column of nationality at house 1. Next, the Norwegian lives next to the blue house, which means the color of house 2 is blue, since the Norwegian is on the far left. Now, with this in place, we can think more about what we know about position. So here it is. The green house is on the left of the white one. So listen carefully because this is important. The greenhouse owner drinks coffee. So the greenhouse can't be the middle house since its own drinks milk. And further, since the blue house is the second house, the green and white can't be the first or second since green is on the left of the white house. So they must be the fourth and fifth. So we will put color white at house 5, then green at house 4. As I mentioned earlier, the greenhouse owner drinks coffee. So it means that in column of drinks at house 4, we will put coffee. The other clue says the Brit lives in a red house, which means the remaining color is yellow. It must be the Norwegian's house. This also means that Brit lives in the third house in color red. The other clue says that the owner of the yellow house smokes Dunhill. So it means that the Norwegians smoke Dunhills. So we will put Dunhill in the column smoke at house 1. Now, we know that the man who keeps horses lives next door to the man who smokes Dunhill. So since the Norwegian smokes Dunhill, that means house 2's owners must keep horses. To move forward, we will put all the remaining possibilities in the empty boxes. At this point, we can eliminate some of the possibilities based on the given clue. The man who smokes Blue Master drinks beer. So the Norwegian can't drink beer because he smokes Dunhill. The other clue says the Dane drinks tea. So it means Norwegian can't drink tea either, which means the only possibility is that he drinks water. Now, we can eliminate some more. The Dane drinks tea, so he can't be in house 4. In other clue, the Swede keeps a dog as pets, so house 1 the Norwegian can keep dogs, nor house 3 and house 2 can't be the Swede since its owner keeps horses. The man who smokes blends has a direct neighbor who drinks water, and since we know now that the Norwegian drinks water, this means house 2, the only neighbor, must smoke blends. Now, knowing that house number 2's owners smokes blends, it gives us another clue. The owner who smokes Blue Master drinks beer, so this can be the house 2 and can only be house 5, which also means that house 5 owner smokes Blue Master. The German smokes Prince, so that means house 2's owner must be the Dane. In other clue, The German smokes prince, which leaves only house 4 for him and means house 5 has to be the Swede, which also means the breed smokes Pall Mall. The next clue says, the owner who smokes Pall Mall keeps birds, as we now know that the breed who is the one who smokes Pall Mall. Next, the owner who smokes blend lives next door to the one who keeps cats. So this must be the Norwegian, since we just found out that the other neighbor house 3 keeps birds. So as you can see, the remaining pets are dogs and fish. So in given clue, it says that the Swede keeps a dog. So it means that the German keeps fish. So we complete all the empty boxes and it shows the answer of who owned the fish. As you can see, German is the one who owned the fish. Well, that explanation is straightforward. Solving puzzles like this often involve false start and dead ends. Part of the trick is the use of process of elimination and lot of trial and error to have in on the right pieces. Pure logic leads the way. If you work this all out on your own, pat yourself on the back. You're doing great, and your hard work will be worth it. So, I hope you learned something from me and it helps you understand the puzzle of Einstein's. Thank you and God bless. Have a nice day, everyone.